Construction of the Salmon Creek Interchange project is underway. This is a joint venture between Clark County and Washington State. Once completed, the project will reduce traffic congestion and improve safety in the growing Salmon Creek area of I-5, I-205 and Northeast 134th Street. To ease afternoon backups to 134th Street off-ramp at I-5, a new interchange and bridge will be constructed at 139th Street. Creating a new east-west thoroughfare allows an alternative entrance and exit to I-5.
With the improvements that we're doing with this project, we'll reduce the traffic volumes on 134th basically by half. We're anticipating that the traffic will be split between the new 139th Street interchange and the 134th Street.
The county is responsible for improvements on Clark County right-of-way and the state for highway construction. When possible, the county is employing green practices and procedures. For instance, the new park and ride at Northeast 10th Avenue and 139th Street utilizes low-impact development techniques. These include pervious pavement and a rain garden.
Pervious concrete allows the water to flow through and into the soil without capturing it and going into a stormwater facility. We're also using some rain gardens, which is relatively new for Clark County, and that's where we capture the stormwater and it runs into a garden and is cleaned and infiltrates into the soil naturally. Eliminating is the need for a stormwater facility and detention ponds.
Another green choice the county incorporated into the Salmon Creek Interchange project comes from local curbside recycling. With the changes from the 3-bin recycling system to a cart and a separate glass bin, as well as a downturn in the market for recycled glass, the garbage and recycling service provider for Clark County was looking to find new ways to reuse glass.
Now that the glass was just by itself and being very much broken up before it came to us, we weren't able to separate it by color. So we had to put in a new glass crushing equipment to crush the glass, clean it up, remove contaminants, and again, then get it into a consistent size where it could be used by contractors for certain projects.
The crushed glass can be used as an aggregate in certain construction projects. The product has many of the same characteristics and qualities as sand or pea gravel. Clark County is utilizing this local reusable resource as a bedding material for the Salmon Creek project.
That quality of aggregate material would typically be mined from a stream bed, and we have, in-stream mining going on in the county by permit. Sand and gravel very often are coming from the bottoms of streams. This glass can be manufactured into that kind of a product that has those qualities to be used in the construction that will last as long as that stream gravel.
By drawing on recycled glass rather than resources mined from streams, the expectation is that there will be less of an impact to the environment. The hope is that other contractors will see that recycled glass is a viable option to traditional materials.
We really do want other contractors to see that this is a good material that can be used this way. It doesn't mean that this is the only use that glass can be put to. It just means that when we've got a supply of glass like this that hasn't been able to go into bottles or into fiberglass, hey, this is another good application. It can go to a construction application. It will displace a natural resource mining from a stream if we can use our glass in this manner.
The county's portion of the Salmon Creek Interchange project is estimated to be operational by the end of the year, and the state should be complete by 2014. For their efforts to work together to find another use for recycled materials, the agencies and contractors involved in reusing crushed glass receive this month's Our Personal Best. For more information, visit Clark County's website at clark.wa.gov and follow the link to the Salmon Creek Interchange project.